Rolls-Royce C220 jet engine that powers this huge machine into the sky. It's nearly 40 foot long, it's about 10.5 foot high, you've got a huge tail on the back that stabilises everything. Here we've got the fins that keep everything stable as well. You can walk round the back end. We've got the tail rotor that stops the whole machine from spinning round when the big blade on the top starts to spin. Now, on the top of this big blade, we've got one bolt that holds this entire machine in the air, and it's only about that big. It's called the Jesus bolt. And if that bolt breaks, you shout Jesus really quickly because you descend to the ground and crash into a million pieces. So it's up here, it's one bolt, and it's called the Jesus bolt. Inside the machine you can carry 5 people. Now 5 people in pretty much comfortable. 4 is better. So we take usually myself, Mrs. F, and my little dog called Jack. He's not here today, he's at his grandma's. So let's get inside and let's start this machine up. It's great fun. I'm going to show you exactly how to start one and what all the dials and switches do. And if a lad from Burnley who sells buses can make it happen, you can too. So, here we go. Let's jump inside.